Hello student, welcome to our GK class. Our second chapter sports and games is going on and we have a unit sporting heroes. Here are the some clues of the heroes are given and the unscrambled word is given. We according to the clue we have to find the sporting heroes, then we have to write the name. In the first one, he is the modest worker in the shoe factory before his career in athletic begins. He won the Olympics in 1952 gold medal in the 5000 and 10,000 marathon. He is Emil Jeptapak. Second one, he is considered one of the greatest runner of all the time, win 12 Olympic medals, 9 gold and 3 silver, and his nickname is Flying Finn. He is Paavo Nurmi. Third one, he was the first athlete in the history to win the Olympic marathon twice. He won his first gold in the 1960 Rome Olympics running barefoot. This made him the first sub-Saharan African to win an Olympic gold. He is Abebe Bikila. The fourth one, he is coming from the Indian Army. He is a field hockey player who won the 3 Olympic gold medal. Even Hitler was mesmerized by his performance. And the statue of him in Vienna showing him with 4 hands and 4 sticks to portray his mastery of the game. He is none other than Dhyan Chand. Now the fifth one, she was considered the ranked number 1 in the world for 5 times. She holds 39 Grand Slam title. She has won singles, double and mixed double title in the 1973. He is Billie Jean King. Now come to the sixth one. He is the Canadian ice hockey player and his nickname is the Great One. He is the best player in the history of the National Hockey League. He is Wayne Gretzky. Seventh one, he is 7 feet tall. He played the basketball at the center position. In his 20-year career with North America National Basketball Association, he scored more points than any other player. And his name is Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Eighth one, he is the only man who won the FIFA World Cup both as a player as well as manager. He was the captain of the best Germany team in 1974 when it won the World Cup. He is Franz Beckenbauer. Now come to the next one. Here are the some of the sporting identity is given. We have to identify and write the name of them. The first figure is of the Carolina Marin. She is the badminton player and 3-time world champion. Second photograph is of the Serena Williams. As you know, she is the tennis player and won 23 Grand Slam. Third picture is of the Ian Thorpe. He is the best known swimmer and won 5 Olympic gold medal. The fourth figure is of the Michael Jordan. He is the basketball player. Fifth one, as you know, he is R. Ashwin, the Indian cricketer, which is right-handed batsman and right arm bowler. The sixth one is Deepa Karmakar, she is the gymnast and won bronze medal at 2014 Commonwealth Game. Now come to the next unit, sports pupil group. Here are name of the some top sports pupil and each group of names include one that does not belong. Find and circulate. Now in the first one, it is given Gagan Narang, Abhin Bindra, Rajyavardhan Rathore, Somdev Dev Varman. So who is the odd one out is Somdev Dev Varman because he is a tennis player and rest are shooter. In the second one, Rafael Nadal is the tennis player and the rest of them are boxer. In the third one, Anjali Bhagwat, she is a shooter and the rest of them are the woman cricketer. In the fourth one, Elena Isbinbavia is a pole vaulter and the other women are the tennis player. In the fifth one, Vijay Amritraj is the odd one out because he is a tennis player and the rest of them are playing the badminton. In the sixth one, Usain Bolt is an athlete and the rest of them are footballer. In the seventh one, Leander Pace, who is the tennis player, and the rest of them are playing hockey. In the eighth one, Andrew Strauss is a cricketer, and the rest of them are the track and field athlete. Now come to the ninth one, Vasilin Topolov. He is the chess player, and the rest of them are golfer. In the 10th one, Michael Jordan, Shaquille O'Neal, Michael Phelps and Kobe Bryant. So Michael Phelps is the odd one because he is the swimmer and the rest of them are the basketball player. I hope you enjoy this unit.